Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make raspberry peach lemonade. This drink is so refreshing and perfect for the hot summer days. Let's get started. We're going to start by combining very hot water and sugar to make a simple syrup. As soon as the sugar has melted in the hot water, set the syrup aside to cool completely. Next, we're going to prep the fruits. We're using some fresh peaches and fresh raspberries. Make sure these are very well washed. Slice up the peaches, then throw them into a food processor. Add the raspberries, then blend until very smooth. Once the fruits are blended, pour into a pitcher. Next, cut up some fresh lemons, then squeeze out the juice. Pour the freshly squeezed lemon juice in with the blended fruits. Add the syrup we made earlier, and then last, we're going to add some cold water. Go ahead and mix everything together, and that's it, you guys. Raspberry peach lemonade is ready to be enjoyed. I'm adding some ice into a tall glass. I'm also going to slip in a sliced lemon, then top with the raspberry peach lemonade. This raspberry peach lemonade is so refreshing, especially for the hot summer weather. If you guys would like to make this, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.